Remove and inspect the contents of the package. Both the feeder and the conveyor will use the exact same procedure. Unpack and lay the components out on a flat surface. Locate the red and black motor harness. Connect both Enterprise feed and accelerator motors. Connect the other end to the feeder controller mod. Locate the blue and black harness and connect one end of the feeder controller mod and the Enterprise power harness PCB. Connect the RJ11 cable between both boards. Connect the power supply to the Enterprise power harness PCB. There are two available ports. Connect the curled cable to the Enterprise power harness PCB and the other end into the supplied coupler. Connect the Enterprise sensor PCB to the other end of the coupler. All components should be connected. Place your finger over the sensor and verify if both motors operate. Now that you've successfully built the feeder outside of the feeder, isolate and repair the feeder or conveyor. Remove two screws and remove the feeder controller mod board. Unseat and disconnect the RJ11 connector. Remove two screws and remove and unseat the Enterprise power harness PCB. Disconnect the RJ11 cover. Connect the RJ11 from the kit into both boards, then test the feeder by pressing and releasing the bypass feed roller. If the motors do not activate, connect the curled cable between the feeder and the printer. Test again by pressing the bypass feed roller. If no movement, the right rear cover should be removed from the printer. Unplug the RJ11 from the inside cover and insert it into the coupler from the test kit. Press and release the feed roller. If no movement, connect the coupler to the printer side of the curled cable and the LED sensor to the other end. Test by placing your finger over the sensor. If movement does not occur, the issue is the sensor. Replace your sensor.